Hi, how are you? I'm good. I've been busy due to being overwhelmed with homework. Please wait a minute. Oh, no, I must have forgotten I have a meeting with the professional staff today. We can talk later if you don't mind. That's fine with me. I'll see you later. Hello. Hello, I have an appointment with the professional staff at 2 p.m. Okay, let me check. Yes, I see your name on it. And please have a seat. Please come in. Did you make an appointment? That's great. SSAs will make every effort to send you calendar meeting appointments. Have a good day.